Hello everyone, now I am going to start question number 8 of exercise 2.2. Now in this question we have three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So if we consider the three consecutive integers, now consecutive means this like consecutive means the serial numbers, like if we take the serial number as 16, 17 and 18, because we have to take the numbers in increasing order, so I have taken 16, 17 and 18. So three consecutive integers means it can be positive also, negative also, but we have to take the numbers in increasing order. So here how to get here, since numbers are not given here, so we will have to consider any variable here. Now in place of 16 says x, first number say x. Now how to get the next number? Now how we have got 17? 16 plus 1 is 17, so that means here we have considered as x, so the next integer will be x plus 1. Now how to get 18? 16 plus 2 is 18. Now here in place of 16 we have considered as x, so the third integer will be x plus 2. Now it is said that when these integers are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4 means first one will be multiplied with 2, second one will be multiplied with 3 and 4 will be multiplied with the third one. Then when we will add these 3, we will get 74. This is the question, so we will have to find the numbers. So let's start. So let the three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now according to the question, when these integers are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively means when the first integers will be multiplied by 2, second integers will be multiplied by 3 and the third integers will be multiplied by 4, and the sum of this will be 74. So equals to 74. Now let's solve it to get the value of x. So 2x will remain same. Now in this we will multiply by 3. So 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 2 is 8 is equals to 74. Now we will add all the like terms. So 2x, 3x and 4x will be added. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9x plus 3 and 8 will be added. So 8 plus 3 if you add, then you will get 11 is equals to 74. Now at first we will transport 11 on the right hand side, and on the right hand side 74 is there. So 11 will be subtracted from 74. So 9x is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 1 is 6. So 9x is equals to 63. So 9 is multiplied by x. So x, the value of x will be 63 will be divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. So value of x will be 7. Now we will have to find the integers here. So here we have considered as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So what will be the three integers? So therefore the numbers are, first one was x, so here the value of x is 7. Second one was x plus 1, so that means 7 plus 1 is 8, and the third one will be 7 plus 2, which is 4. Now coming to the next question. Now if you want to check, you see here we have got the numbers are 7, 8 and 9. Now if you see, 7 is multiplied by 2 because here we have considered the first integer will be multiplied by 2, then second integer which we have got 8 will be multiplied by 3, and the third integer which is 9 will be multiplied by 4. Then see, if you add this all, then you will get 74. See here, 74 is given. Now moving on to the next question. Now question number 9. In this question we have the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Now here the ages of Rahul and Harun are given in the ratio of 5:7. Now as I said before, like if ratio is given, then we will have to consider x here. Now 4 years later means after 4 years, see their present age is 5x and 7x. Now after 4 years, what will be their ages? So 4 years more, like if your age is 10 years now, after 4 years your age will be plus 4, so your age will be 14 years. So here also with this present age we will add plus 4. Now 4 years later, the sum of their ages. Now the sum of their ages is 56. This is said in the question. Now let's start. So let the ages of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x. Now 4 years later means this is their present age. Let the present ages, just mention present here. After 4 years, what will be their age? If so Rahul's age is, see here Rahul is given at first and Harun is afterwards. So that means this is the 5x is given at first. So that means Rahul age is this one 5x and Harun's age will be 7x. So after 4 years Rahul's age will be 5x, as 5x is given at first, and Rahul also, like here in the question Rahul's name also is mentioned at first. So here Rahul's age is 5x and plus 4 years. We will have to write the units also. So Rahul's age and Harun's age. Harun's age will be 7x plus 4 years. Here also you mention years. Now, according to the question, the sum of their ages. See, Rahul's age is 5x plus 4 and Harun's age is 7x plus 4. When we add these two, we'll get 56. This is there in the question. Now, we'll solve it. We'll remove the bracket at first. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equals to 56. Now at first we'll add the like terms. So 5 and 7 will be added. So 7 plus 5 is 12x, and then these constant terms will be added. So 4 plus 4 is 8 is equals to 56. Now 8 will be transported on right hand side. So 56 minus 8. So 12x is equals to 8 to 16 is 8. So 5 will be 4. So 48. So value of x will be, this is 12 multiplied by x. So after changing the side, it will be division. So 12 ones are 12. 12 fours are 48. So the value of x is 4 years. So here what are their present ages? See, here we have considered their ages are 5x and 7x. So to get their ages, we will have to put the value of x over there. So therefore, Rahul's present age, see Rahul's present age was 5x. Rahul's present age is 5x. So 5x means 5 into 4, because the value of x is 4. So it will be 20 years. And Harun's present age is 7x. So 7 multiplied by 4, as value of x is 4. So 7 4s are 28 years. So these are so Rahul's age will be 20 years and Harun's present age will be 28 years. Thank you, students.